Just like every gardener in the South, the crew of Southern Gardening also has to deal with the rain. So what do I do when I can't get in the garden because of the rain? I think about the plants I could be planting. Let's take a look at a few.
Garden planting doesn't have to be hard. I like to use the same thriller, filler, and spiller container recipe for my landscape. Let me show you. Spiller plants are those ground cover types. Here are a couple great suggestions. Purslane is one of these plants that are perfect and forms a dense mat of drought-resistant color. And ornamental sweet potatoes are perfect for laying a gorgeous carpet of vivid and attractive leaves. These plants are vigorous and produce thick mats of color.
Yep, it's still raining.
Filler plants add body to the landscape planting. Colocasia certainly fit the description of a filler plant. The leaves are huge with coarse texture and do fill in any open spaces in the landscape. And the coarse foliage of caladiums will fill any lower area with color. A wide variety can offer an explosion of colorful foliage. I'm always thrilled with the varieties of cutting zinnia. These are big plants that add excitement. With the range of colors including white, pink, yellow, and purples, these are perfect for cutting to be enjoyed indoors.
And to put a positive spin on a gardening rain delay, it gives you time for Garden Planning 101. Oops, time to go. I'm horticulturist Gary Bachman. I hope you'll see me next time on Southern Gardening.